Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Dwayne Anderson. Caribbean Cement Company says cement supply has improved by more than 20% in recent weeks following operational challenges caused by heavy rainfall in April. In a statement today, the company reported that cement production has now surpassed 475,000 metric tons, representing a 50% increase over the previous year. It says it is maintaining steady supply and implementing measures to improve reliability and meet strong market demand. A total of 23,852 metric tons of cement was received in May through the Cemex trading network to reinforce its supply program. To some other news now, Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett says other airlines are already showing interest in filling the slot left vacant by budget airline Spirit. Last month, the airline shut down its operations, citing rising jet fuel prices due to the war in Iran. Minister Bartlett says soon he will be talking to other interested airlines about the situation.
As we speak, we are in consultation with our airline partners. I'm going to New York next week. We're having extensive discussions with a number of our airline partners to secure the future of airlift for Jamaica. I'm calling the names of airlines, but one of them that I'm going to see in New York has already stepped in. And so we will not hurt as a result. We would have lost some 40,000 seats, but they're all taken up. So we're good.
Spirit Airline failed to secure an emergency government bailout of $500 million. Now, Minister Bartlett, in the meantime, says 20,000 hotel rooms are slated to be added to the local room stock, potentially helping to bring more visitors to Jamaica.
No, the discussions have just started, but in fact, the potential is great. And Jamaica stands at the cusp of an engagement that could bring us at least 3 to 4 million visitors annually, more than we now have.
Europe?
I say no more.
Minister Bartlett was speaking at a ceremony in Geddestown in St. Mary to declare the reopening of the Funta Bell to Geddes Main Road. The road leads to several attractions, which the minister says is critical to the livelihood of the Geddestown community. Turn to the big one now, fuel prices, because petrol prices will decline for the second week in a row, effective tomorrow. Each litre of 87 gasoline and 90 gasoline will be reduced by 25 cents. Automotive diesel and ultra-low sulfur diesel will also be decreased by 25 cents. The price of kerosene will also fall by 25 cents. The cost of propane will, however, be increased by 25 cents, while butane will fall by 99 cents. Each petrol station will make these adjustments to the prices, which includes a markup on the ex-refinery rate offered by Petrojam. Now, Grace Kennedy Services is moving to ease costs for local businesses, announcing a temporary waiver of wire transfer fees throughout the month of June. The initiative, offered through the company's FX trader Cambio, targets small and medium-sized enterprises and commercial clients. The waiver applies to transactions valued at $10,000 or more and could save businesses up to $60 per transfer. Chief Executive Officer Margaret Campbell says the move is aimed at helping businesses better manage cash flow as they try to navigate rising costs locally. To some stocks news now, the JC index declined by 50 points today, while the junior market index declined by 27 points. The winners were led by Margaritaville Turks US dollar shares, Margaritaville Turks, Mayberry Group, General Accident Insurance Company, and Caribbean Cream. On the loser side, they were led by Elite Diagnostic, Cygnus Credit Investments, 8% preference shares, Lasco Financial Services, Salada Foods Jamaica, and Proven Group US dollar shares. 18 stocks traded firm. To some foreign exchange news now. At the end of foreign exchange trading today, banks and Cambios were selling the US dollar for an average $159.11. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $116.18. The pound is going for $213.72, while the euro is selling for an average $185.25. And that's the business news. I'm Dwayne Anderson. News from overseas when we return.